If you're looking for comfortable student accommodation and want to live a dynamic student life in the city of Liverpool, you are at the right place. Let us introduce you to Prospect Point, a student house that'll let you live student life to the fullest. Prospect Point will let you choose between fully furnished studios and ensuite rooms with all the amenities one can ask for. You'll have your own bathroom regardless of the type of room you choose. But if you also want a fully equipped kitchen for yourself, a studio is exactly what you need. When you feel like socializing, you can unwind in the common rooms that have cozy sitting, study areas, a TV, and board games. This setup makes it simple to interact with your flatmates and form new connections when you're away from home. You need not worry much about commute, as Liverpool John Moores University and the University of Liverpool are both about 10 minutes away on foot. For a fun evening, take a short 15-minute stroll to reach the city center. We would love for you to explore all that this wonderful city has to offer. Connect with Amber to kickstart your journey today.